Discover how the first typewriter, invented by Christopher Sholes in 1868, changed the game for writers like Mark Twain and Ernest Hemingway. Christopher Sholes invented the first practical typewriter in 1868, revolutionizing writing forever. Mark Twain was the first famous author to adopt the typewriter, using it to write Life on the Mississippi. Early typewriters were prone to jamming, earning them the nickname literary treadmills. Ernest Hemingway, a prolific typist, could write up to 500 words per day on his trusty Royal Portable. The Remington No. 1, released in 1874, was the first commercially produced typewriter, priced at $125. By the 1,920 over 10 million typewriters were sold worldwide, making writing more accessible to the masses.